स्क्रीन को ये करना स्क्रीन आ रहा है
ऐसे
See here you have to change the boot drive. See, removable drives. First one is CD-ROM drive, then removable drive. This is a removable drive, so I have selected it. Then the hard drive. You have to select like this. You can change the setting, but by default it will be always hard drive. That means your operating system will boot from the hard drive. But in this case, you are changing it. Can sit.
the chair maybe some chairs from here सिलेक्ट नहीं हुआ एंटर दे intervention is there?
Yeah, intervention is अलग इसको मैं first level.
Shift plus 1.
See this from the boot.
Booting from pen drive, it takes some time.
Yeah. Now it's loading. So started booting. Now it's taking from the pen.
So ESXi server itself is a VM, virtual machine.
To create virtual machine, you need to have that ESXi server.
You can install ESXi server as a type 2 virtualization virtual machine also. That will also will show you. That means on top of your Windows 10 you can install ESXi server. Even you will find in your VMware that one ESXi server is installed. Have you seen that one? No? Go and check. You'll find out ESXi server is installed. That one is type 2 ESXi server. But this one is type 1.
Basically now it will analyze all the hardware and will check if it is as per the specification or not. Like it will check the processor, it will check the RAM, then network drive, network card, all the hardware it will analyze, because there is a specification and on those specification it has to match, otherwise your ESXi server will not load. And this machine has to be a server. Even if suppose a very powerful workstation comes into, you try to load it, it will not, because servers have some
And
specification.
RAM specification is also there, no?
RAM specification is 16 GB.
16 GB is required.
Yeah, but that will depend, like if you want to create like number of VMs, then you have to increase the RAM, and it might be sometimes it is 512 GB.
Minimum is 16 GB. Now you can create it cloud environment. In
Because
cloud environment, 512 GB is not an issue.
like VMs like HP and all Dell, they have machines specifically designed to create VMs. Around 1500 VMs are there. So they are capable of taking that much load. So
1400 VM.
yeah.
How much VM here is covered?
See, this 6, because I am trying to install 6.5, but only So it is a compatibility guide also that has to match. So I am pressing enter to continue. Escape F11. See, it found out like what type of hard drive we have. So yeah, and this is our pen drive, see, cruise blade. So we are not here. We are trying to create the VM.
88 to 32 GB. Or 2 hard disks are there, na?
Yeah. So first one I am targeting. F1 will give you details of that particular hard drive if you want to see, like this, gathering information. See what type of hard drive, SATA and all those things will be there. It is asking for the keyboard layout, that is US default. You can basically assign, if you are a different language, you can select your language. Root password you have to give because this is for security. This I am just giving
00. Everywhere we are giving 00.
4 times 0 I have to, but it will have some specification. So let me check if it takes
Single
0.
digit is not permitted.
Seven characters.
Long, okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Password match, enter to continue. So that will be our password. Like suppose if you want to configure your later when your network and all, then this root password it will ask. See, it is CPU support one. The CPU will not be supported because the CPU is not that strong. Future VM, ESXi server it will not support. So only this machine. On this thing, one the disks will be repartitioned. So VM will repartition the disks as per its specification and need. So that will erase all data, whatever it was there. So now it is installed.
Oh, no customized option is there. It will repartition it as per its
specification.
Note down the steps.
First step is to basically make your USB drive or external drive.
That portion is written. PDF file is there, but this part. Because you may not get the screenshot. Screenshot will not be available. टाइम लगेगा क्योंकि आज नेट का बैलेंस थोड़ा खत्म है। हाँ ये तो देखा तो कब करेगा
ये बनाने के बाद ये आज इवनिंग तक पूरा रेडी हो टुमारो दे विल पुट इट ऑन दैट platform which they have made. That platform is also person is saying that weak hair and all this stuff. They have made the platform.
They have made it. Now how did they play that?
Our people have made it. They have not made it. But that was taken by our people. Yeah, that guy, it's only installing and big alignment he'll come. They said that we all have those materials, so we'll make. Because normally what Airtel does, they will give you the specification and they have some tie-up with some fabricator and he creates it as well. But here we have everything. So our fabricator took that
But
thing.
with don't have that much of technical expertise.
But they don't agree on that. And base has to be like 1.8 meter as per this, but they have really made it little smaller. This is the problem. It will take little bit of time. Generally, it partitions the disk and then see the hard drive is on. No, it's progress. Successfully installed. Now it will register. See, it's a licensed product, so you have to purchase the license. For 68 days it will run. So I am pressing enter to reboot. See, here it is saying this line, remove the installation media. That means it's talking about this. So I have to remove this and then.
If I don't remove, then what will happen? It will try to boot from again pen drive, and the same thing will start from the beginning.
Now it will boot from the hard drive because I have removed this pen drive. Each on, see. It is taking the IP from DHC. So F2 if I do, then customize system. Now it is asking for any change for that password. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
No. This is
Login
not login.
name.
Login
It should be
name.
root.
Root, yeah. Root, then password you have to give. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Enter. Yeah. See now the configuration. Now the same.
Same thing.
Now exactly the same thing. What
No, they don't know.
Okay, that is no. In your like the other VM which you have created on top of the OS, have you configured network? No.
So
Network.
give any arbitrary series of IP.
No, this is the same series so that we can connect from those machines.
So please note down the IP.
See, now it is taking from DHC this server. This IP it is taking. See, same series it is taking 192.168.31.89. Just check any of the computer what IP it is getting.
पिन करने से आ जाएगा?
हाँ आएगा आप
लैन में तो नहीं है
ना
लैन में है
हाँ आप किसी को
That case I have to stop the Wi-Fi, right?
हाँ you have to connect to basically the normal thing. Any computer you just check. Like static IP, suppose now it's automatic. Static you have to, I'll show you how to go there. Here, this is the configuration panel. No? So all the configuration, like configure management network. You can go there and then you can change your IP and all those stuff. See, IP.
What is the 192?
192.168.31.89.
Is it inside here?
Based on the code.